A parental support group is growing in Alberta. It encourages parents to pledge not to give their kids access to smartphones until they're teenagers. The group says the effects of social media are having a detrimental effect on children. CTV's Connor Hogg has more.
I look at it as mostly a mental health initiative.
Kirsten Sweet is spreading the word about Unplugged. The St. Albert chapter of the parental advocacy group started last year. It's now expanding province-wide, trying to delay the use of smartphones.
Encouraging parents across the country to wait until at least 14 before giving their child their first smartphone by signing an online pledge.
Unplugged is asking for parents to commit to delaying the technology and calling for legislation raising the minimum age for social media use to 16. It also wants to see privacy rules so companies can't monitor the data of underage users.
Having young children on social media is not a healthy step for them. We want kids learning how to use tech responsibly at age-appropriate times.
When you're 16, everyone's got it, so you want to be a part of that group.
There's pros and cons, I think, depends on your family situation.
What if something went wrong? It should be able to contact, right? Yeah.
Students we spoke to say kids need phones to be able to contact parents and each other. They also agree that social media has affected the way they grew up.
I'm definitely on my phone a lot more.
TikTok and stuff, short form content, It's people are kind of getting addicted to that, right? It's almost like a drug, like the dopamine.
I know how I feel after being on my phone and I don't like it, so I can't imagine giving it to my kid with all these weird feelings on social media.
North Vancouver MP Patrick Weiler is supporting Unplugged. In a statement to CTV News, he says other countries have moved to restrict social media use for kids. Weiler says a balance must be struck between kids' online literacy and their own safety. As for Sweet's own kids, they think a little less time on a phone isn't a bad thing.
They say, I don't want to spend, my life on a phone or on a screen. There's a right place and a right time for that, but there needs to be some balance. Apps are designed to engage the user and keep them on as long as possible.
Nova Scotia has introduced legislation that would instill a social media minimum age. Unplugged wants to see other provinces and the feds follow suit. Connor Hogg, CTV News, Edmonton.